guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to send my flattest package ever. Okay, I don't know where I got this box, but look how thin it is. I think it came with paper. It is 1.25 inches high. That's it. So this is literally flat mail. I am sending it overseas, so I'm trying to keep it as flat and light as possible because we all know, shipping prices will gouge you for overseas. Okay, first thing, I'm just gonna send some American goodies. These are little spiders from Dollar Tree. Oh, where's the tag coming off? Then these little black spiders, perfect for basically like an enamel dot. I know she'll use them as that. These were 98 cents for a big giant pack at Walmart. Then this gorgeous tag flip that I absolutely love. I'm just gonna have to fan out the pages so that it stays relatively flat, kinda. Yeah, I can push that down like that. Then in here I just have some Michael's stickers that I know she will love just because it's from Michael's. Then these are some goodie bags from our Target out here. Should I put these little balls like that? Push those down. Then I have some candy embellishments. I just did a little bow topper. This is from Alina Crafts. Bag topper, bow bag topper. Then I did some die cuts. These say Trick or Treat die from AliExpress. This bag topper is from Alina Cuddle. It's a card, like a place card holder, like, you know, for fancy dinners or parties. And I just used it as a bag topper. I cut it down a little bit. Did some candy and trim. Let's see here. So I tried to keep this Happy Meal, I didn't try to over embellish because I knew I was going to try to shove it in this box. These are some skeleton girls cut out in different paper, just some trim. Actually, I think this should go right here. Yep, and it's still staying flat, you guys. I'm surprised. Okay, then I have this little baggie. This is from AliExpress, and I just stuck a couple of stickers from Blitzy in there. I should try and stick this. Let me try flatten that out. Okay, looking good. I'm gonna really have to shove that. Then these are some of my tombstone embellishments. I do have a video on those. I will link that down below. Literally, this is like playing jigsaw. Then these are some rosettes I shared on my Instagram. I just stuck up sequins shaker bits in there to give it that texture. This is a little cut apart from the Spooky Boo collection. Just still glued a little sequin on there. Super cute. Okay, let's see here. Okay, yes. This is working. This is working. Then this one, this is probably my favorite goodie bag I've ever made. Just did 12 by 12 paper, folded it in half, and then I stitched the edges. I cut it down a little bit. I didn't leave it the full 12 inches because I knew it wouldn't fit in here. Then these are just scrap pieces of paper. I cut them all rectangles, different sizes, different lengths. This is some trim, sticky trim from Michael's. Little doily from Tuesday Morning, Walmart ephemera, and then I spelt out Kate. Once I had everything down, puffed the spider up, I sprayed with some, as you can see right here, like black, like oxide something, I don't even know. But yeah, I really love this bag. I love how this turned out. And I want to make more clusters like this. I'm like obsessed. Okay, I think I could smush it down like this. Let's see here. And nothing's like breakable on here, so I think sometimes smushing stuff really closed tight helps it not get destroyed in shipping because it's all crammed and in there and not moving. So I'll add a card and then I'll be done. All right, bye guys. Catch you on the next video.